Okay, we're back here now. We have our two other models created. Now we're back in structural. So now we want to go in here and we want to add a roof on here. So we're going to use our our structural plan or model to put our structural framing on here. So we're going to level two, and we want to place our beams on top of these columns, our hollow sections. So now what we have to decide is, now the structural engineer would normally do this. We need to decide which way do we want to run our beams. So what we want to do, we can do this a number of ways. So let's go into our 3D model and have a look. So we want to go into insert. We'll load a family here. And let's go down to structural framing. We'll go with steel. And we will go with WY flange. Okay, now here's all our catalog flanges. I got a few of them obsolete there, which is interesting. Let's go with, let's get a nice average size one, because you're not going to do this. The structural engineer, it's just going to be his job to do this. So let's just take this W12 by 14. Let's hit OK. So now we go back into our structure and go to beam. And now here we have certain things that we can do in our options bar. So we got chain and 3D snapping on. So we can simply just go here and select the little dot on each column and add our beams for our roof. Okay. So let's go ahead and take these across. But normally this is not how we're going to do this. So what we want to do is we want to go back here and take a look, because these are we want these to bear or rest on top of our columns, or we could do a connection here. Either way, but not thinking a normal sense, they're basically on top. So let's take these guys up a foot. Let's see if we can go up a foot here. Yes, good. So those are good. So let's go in and add some more. But we want to make this 1 foot now. And let's go place our beam. Uh-oh. See, so this is how you basically place your beams. So let's add a few more. That guy keeps jumping down there. We can change it. We could do connection here, but normally I would think in this exercise, we're going to just set these guys up top. And let's move this up 1 foot. Okay. Now, since we have these beams going this direction, let's go into our level 2. Now, we had a number of ways we could have did crossing, but I want to just copy these guys. I'm going to right click, select all instances, and I want to just copy these over. We want to do constraint and multiple so we can take them throughout. So let's go here. Whoops. Let's try that again. Right click. No, let's go back. I'm sorry, folks. So now we want to right click, select all instances in entire project or in view, and we want to copy. We want to have constraint of multiple loans, so we go there. Let's just do this way. We want to go copy. There we go. Okay, now let's undo that last one we don't need. So let's go on our 3D and see what we have here. Okay, there are all our beams in place for our roof frame. So remember again, we'll see something here. Yeah, 3D view is good. In fact, we could have placed all these in a 3D view, really. We wouldn't have this issue. So all these, we want to raise all these up to 1. Normally, yeah, it's kind of nice to do stuff in 3D. I don't know what happened here, but let's get these up to 1. Okay, so now let's have a look. So now we have our steel plate. So now let's go back to our level 2. And now we want to do, want to come in here and put in joists for girders. So what we'll do here, we'll just go back to our structure tab. And we'll go to insert. We'll load a family. Back down to structure framing again. We'll go steel, but this time we want to look at joist girder. And now here, let's just take this 1-4 and let's say open. Now, do you want to use the beam system for these? So let's go to structure, beam system. Let's go back. I'm going to show you, well, let's go to beam system and let's go to rectangular and let's just go from here to here. Now we got the nice direction, so let's go finish. And there are we don't want to be in analytical. There goes our joist. Now let's look at this in 3D view. Okay, again, we have this height issue. So the good thing about the beam system, we can just go right to that beam system and it's editable as a system. So let's go back to level 2. Let's quit sketching here. Let's go grab our beam system. And we want to take this up 1. Now it should all be, yes, we kind of want that to connect that way. But this is adjustable to however you want it, however the engineer specifies it. I'm just doing this because I went into a Walmart and I saw how the steel framing was done, and I'm just kind of following what I saw. So let's look at this. It looks good. So now what we want to do is let's go back to level 2. I'm going to do another beam system. Over there. And then we'll hit the check mark. Yeah. Now again, I think, yes, we've got to raise this up to 1 again. Now let's do another beam system in here, and we'll just mirror the rest of these right across. Basically, that's what we can do. So let's go and let's look at 3D first. Yep, I like that. Okay, structure beam system. Elevation will be 1. We'll go from here, rectangular, go from here all the way down to here, and we'll click finish. And there, okay, we're looking good. So now, what we can do, we can still have these beam systems together here. So let's select them. Let's see. Let's go to find here so we can see stuff. There we go. So let's take this beam system. Let's just mirror these. Let's go. Select. And we're gonna mirror. We're gonna mirror from there to there. And we got our total rooftop framed in. So let's go back to our 3D view. And there, okay, so that's it. That's a simple way of doing our roof. So we have our roof in here now for our structure. And I think we're gonna leave the structure at this. And next we're gonna jump into our architectural and finish what we were doing there. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. Um, if you like this video, like it and comment on if you have anything to say. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.